Hello, welcome again to the second video on JavaScript. And today we are going to discuss on where to put JavaScript in HTML. Now, let me do an example here. I'm going to create a H2 tag here, and I'm going to say something like this: JavaScript in body. Okay, so the next thing down here, what I'm going to do is create something like a P and with an ID here. In this one, I will say demo, which I'll have to target it, okay, using my JavaScript. Now, down here, within the body tags, it should be down here. It is where now, in HTML, JavaScript is inserted between script, opening script tag and closing script tag. So let me show you this. I'll say scripts, right? Then close it. So we are having the opening script tag and the closing script tag. Are you getting that? All right. Now, in between here is where we are going to insert our content there. So we're going to say document dot get element by ID. So whatever we are targeting is this ID called demo. So here we're going to say open parentheses, then you say here we say demo, okay, like that. Then here we say dot inner HTML equal, you can say my first JavaScript. Like that. So let me end with the semicolon here, like that. Now you see, let's check it on our browser. We'll save it first, then try to open it with our live server down here. Wait for a moment, and we are going to see the result on our browser. So this is the first thing, and you can see, yeah, it has displayed on our browser. So guys, in this video we have learned where to put our JavaScript in HTML, and we see that we put it in body, in between the body tags, and it should be within the opening script and closing script here. Let's meet in the next video.